Alright, I really like my Samsung Galaxy Tab 2. The one thing I really dislike is the proprietary connector for USB. So for charging, you got to use their connector, which is really annoying. It'd be nice if they, like other companies, just used a micro USB, but they don't. So when I travel, I have to take this whole cord, which is annoying. And if I lose it, then I'm out of luck. Or if I forget it, I'm out of luck. So what I found was a place that sells these little adapters, micro USB to Samsung, whatever you want to call their, and it's just a little piece of plastic. I got this from direct from China Post for very little shipping, surprisingly. So basically with shipping it was $5 and showed up within a week. So I was surprised, but it's nice. You just plug in your micro USB, and voila, you've got the correct connection for your Samsung Galaxy Tab. And now you can see it is charging. So instead of taking a whole nother cable, I can take just one cable and it will charge my phone, it will charge my Sony camera, and it will charge my Galaxy Tab. So great deal for just a few bucks. Hopefully everyone, manufacturer-wise, will get on the same standard one day and we won't have this problem. But until then, you can trust the Chinese to make something that will meet the need.